A lovely day for digital preservation is the Guinness Archive submission in the category of the most outstanding digital preservation initiative in commerce, industry, and the third sector. The Guinness Archive is part of Diageo, a multinational alcoholic beverage company. And while the remit of the Guinness Archive is to preserve the heritage of our company and brand, Diageo in itself is not a memory institution. The aim of the project was to digitise, remaster and preserve the brand's advertising legacy of television adverts made on film and make them publicly accessible for the first time. The collection captures moments in cultural and social history over 40 years and provides an insight into changing representations of Irishness at home and abroad, and therefore very much has public appeal. While the Guinness Archive wanted to digitise and make this collection publicly available, we also recognised that we did not have the expertise in-house to undertake this work. And therefore we collaborated with several institutions. Firstly, Coimisiún na Meán, formerly the Broadcasting Authority of Ireland, and we were successful in obtaining part funding for this project under their archiving scheme, which recognises the safeguarding of Irish film. Secondly, the Irish Film Institute and the Irish Film Archive, which is the leading film repository in Ireland, and they could provide us with the technical expertise necessary to complete this project. And thirdly, Restore, based in London, the film studio who undertook all of the digitisation and the restoration on the films. The project began by identifying and rationalising all existing film stock across multiple agencies, creating descriptive catalogue entries for all these films, scanning and digitising all relevant film to a pre-agreed standard, ingesting the output of the digital files into the IFI digital preservation system, and ultimately launching the collection through our inaugural Guinness Archive Award and also a commissioned documentary, which is now shown to all visitors to the Guinness Storehouse. The results of the project were very much based on the successful collaboration between the Guinness Archive, Coimisiún na Meán, the Irish Film Archive and Restore to deliver the project on budget. We now have the full digital collection ingested into the IFI digital preservation system for future safeguarding. The successful media and PR launch gained over 400,000 media impressions and almost 500,000 visitors have seen the film in the archive. And the project very much raised the profile of the Guinness Archive internally. The workflow created has now been applied to the rest of the film collection, and ultimately this project is a template for all other non-film specialist archives to safeguard their film collections.